What makes Clocktower different from other firms is, I believe, our level of service that we offer.
When you walk in, it's a family environment. It doesn't feel like going into an office or a brokerage. It seems very stuffy.
High level of service, treating all of our clients with that high level, treating them like family as well, because at Clocktower we are a family.
We love it here. We've actually had a great time, and this place is just a lot of fun.
It's a place where everyone is always rooting for you. It's not a place where people are competitive. It's a place where they want you to succeed with them.
There is a supportive environment amongst agents. Some brokerages you go to, it's all about who wins the #1 reward, but not at Clocktower. Here, it's how can we support each other.
We really enjoy having the freedom that we have here. You don't always have that with other brokerages, and that's given us the freedom to do the things we want to do and run our business the way we want to run it.
I was given tools to succeed, but flexibility.
One word I would use to describe Clocktower would be
Embracing.
evolutionary.
It feels like coming home to family.
Embracing of all agents that we have here, from brand new to veteran.
Past few years, I've seen it grow from a few to over 60, and they've been able to adjust and create new strategies and new ways to change with the market.
I love Clocktower because of the people. They're open and they're always willing to help.
Bunch of different agents, and we share ideas all the time.
And we're all very diverse in different ways.
I get to learn from all different types of cultures, and that's really important to me.
Hi, I'm Rhonda, founder and principal broker of Clocktower Realty Group. If you're thinking about making a switch, contact us at the information below. We'd love to hear from you.